Today we are looking for lions. Today, game drive in the Khwei Conservation Area of the Okavango Delta.
Okay, good.
You hear the power. The power when he's crashing up the bones.
Yeah.
Crossing the Khwei River into the Moraine Game Reserve. It is early morning and cold. We're all rugged up. Okay. The entrance to the Moraine Game Reserve. Moraine Game Reserve. We already see lions on the horizon now. 2 miles. Very excited about this, seeing them so early in the day. They're coming close, right through the cars. They don't seem to know about anything. Chase is on. The zebra running in the background.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's very upset.
You see it's peeing up.
Yeah.
Very upset.
Wow, that's right.
Look on his shoulders.
The 2 young ones. Are they brothers, probably? Yeah. Yeah. So they're not allowed.
It becomes so difficult. Cold. Look at his eyes. That would be the best pictures because the light really can forgive.
I got a video.
You did.
Yeah. So is it in zebra?
It looks like a young male lion
Yeah, zebra.
eating his meal of zebra kill.
But all the
You know,
intestines,
those
all the
zebras
guts
are
are
so
gone.
scared because they have seen this terrible experience.
Become vegetarian.
It's still a male, right?
Yes, a male. But it's quite a long kill, isn't it?
Yes, it's a the root diabetes.
I can't get it.
Come across a group of African hunting dogs. They're also called painted dogs. Ferocious hunters, and after the local game here, which is the lychee, the red lychee, it's a large antelope. They come in very large groups, sometimes over 100. The dogs trying to get to the other side to their game, to the antelopes, and they have to cross this little river, but it's a very deep river, obviously full of crocodiles and hippos. So they're a little bit concerned about jumping into this water.
Look at the baby.
I like to think that confronting a hippo would be a good idea. So they're just looking where they can jump across to get to their prey. Marrow bush dog. The warthog, or Pumbaa, locals call him Pumbaa. The Pumbaa from the Lion King. Here's a group of elephants.
You're warning us.
He's not happy, so he's giving us confrontation, telling us to move back,
Look at that.
protecting his herd. We're leaving the park again, heading back to our campsite. It's just been a fantastic day seeing lions and other wildlife in its natural habitat. Crossing the river again, going back to our camp for a rest, lunch, and possibly going to another game drive in the afternoon. our sleeping quarters in our game lodge. So it's clamping. The shower, bathroom, everything here. Here Patricia's coming, ready for a midday rest after a very active morning. Fly screen. But of course, we're out in a game park. It's an open game park. So, which means at night, the wild animals are outside. And the wild animals are lions, leopards, hyenas, and hippopotamus as well. That's the neighbors. And that's our entrance to the game park. And there's some white eagles, some fish eagles flying around. So that's our little home away from home. Very nicely. Slept really well last night. We are now on the other side of the Moremi Game Reserve, going into a private game reserve or private area. They're all looked after. They're not fenced in. They're open areas, so the wildlife can move from one to another.
Because this herd is so controlled by one man, as long as they respect each other, they can be together.
There was another group of red lychee antelopes. They come in large numbers, sometimes 100 or more. Another elephant encounter. Elephants are there are a lot of elephants in this area, so there's a good chance to always see elephants. There's a large group of elephants. Here's one elephant. He's telling us to butt off. Stay away, he says. Mother and the cow.
I would say in Botswana. This is a kudu antelope.
very large animal. That's a male. And this is even a bigger male. That's a very large figure.
Now they are eating the grass. Now they are eating the grass.
Giraffe. You don't see that many giraffes here. They're usually solitary, seem to be solitary in this area.
They can go maybe up to a kilometer away. These ones, they are of at least 7-8 months old. Those ones, they are.
We come to a group of hyenas and got their youngs here. So there's a mother, sometimes only a single mother looking after all the young ones while the adults are out hunting.
They will start to bite them so hard and they can even kill each other.
A group of young ones in different stages of life. Yeah, mothers were keeping watch over her flock. Now it's a bunch of hyenas. They're young, so cute. They got very big feet.
Hello.
That's female.
That one is a female.
Hello.
We spotted another female in one of the burrows. So they asleep during the day, keep watch.
That one is a female.
It's a giant bat owl, earbat owl. I'd like to thank everybody for staying that long with us. We had a fantastic time at this park, and I'd like to thank especially the Khwei River View travel group and everybody who stayed with us. We're going on to Khwei National Park next. So there we're going to see, we're going to go on another game drive. We're going to go also on the river, do a river cruise. So I'm looking forward to this already. Stay with us, come back for the next video, subscribe, and